Welcome to Saraswat International Academy, Rata Vapi, Standard 5th, English Medium, Subject Computer. Myself Simit Bausar. I am a computer teacher. Now I will teach you chapter number 2, part 1. Student, let us start our chapter number 2, operating system. Okay, dear students, operating system is an important link between the user and the computer. We can work on computer due to the operating system present in the computer. When the computer is switched on, we start working according to the operating system installed in the computer. Thus, operating system works as a bridge between us and the computer. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. are generally used. In this chapter, we will study about different operating systems in detail. Okay, so get ready. Now let us start our first topic, operating system. Now what is operating system? Short description about operating system. An operating system is an interface between a computer user and computer hardware. An operating system is a software which performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripherals devices such as disk drives and printers. Okay, now here an operating system is a series of programs that is used to operate or run a computer. Operating system means method of operation. Operating system in short is known as OS. OS means operating system. It controls and manages the whole computer system. Various operations done by the operating system are termed as tasks. Operating system works as a bridge between the user and the computer. It is an example of system software. Operating system appears first when we switch on the computer and also at the end as we switch off the computer. Now it controls the hardware like keyboard, monitor, CPU, mouse, etc. Okay, if operating system does not work properly, then the hardware as well as the software of the operating system will not be able to work. Okay, now here first one user, then application, then operating system, then hardware. Okay, now next one, functions of operating system. It controls and manages the whole computer system. It actually runs the computer system. It facilitates the use of hardware. It facilitates the use of software. It follows the request, instructions and orders of the user. It manages the memory of the computer. It allows the use of computer by many users simultaneously. It protects the computer from any virus. Okay, now student, next Now next one, operating system interface. Okay, the system that allows a computer user to communicate with computer is called interface. There are two types of user interface. First one, CLI. Okay, now short description about CLI. A command line interface means CLI is a text based user interface used to view and manage computer files. Command line interface are also called command line user interface, console user interface, and character user interface. Okay, now here CLI means command line interface. It is command based interface. The user has to type in text based commands to give instruction to the computer. It has a predefined set of commands to give instruction that follow a syntax. The user has to remember the commands, and so it is necessary to know it systematically. It is not user friendly, and so it is difficult to work with it. Nowadays, this type of interface is not much in use. Okay, operating system like MS-DOS, Unix, etc. have command line interface. Okay, now next one. Now second one, GUI means graphical user interface. Okay, short description about GUI. A GUI is a system of interactive visual components for computer software. A GUI displays objects that convey information and represent actions that can be taken by the user. The objects change color, size, or visibility when the user interacts with them. Here, GUI means graphical user interface. It is graphics or picture based interface. To do any task, various icons, menu, tool buttons are used. Okay, various tasks can be performed by using the mouse. It is very easy to use. Okay, now next one. Nowadays, only this type of interface is in use. Operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. have graphical user interface. Okay, now student, this is a command line interface screen, and this one graphical user interface screen. Okay, now student, we will continue our next topic in part 2. Thank you.